Hi, I'm Chandler Tenney with Brinkley RV, and today we're here to talk to you about properly stowing your L sofa for travel day. First off, we're going to have two chairs in the Model I. One of those chairs will be stowed underneath the MaxSpace split level wardrobe there underneath the bed. There's room for it up there. The other, we will simply lift up and slide down into these brackets designed on the wall here to stow the chair during travel. Next, you want to make sure your table is slid into the center position and properly locked into place. So now we're at the back of the sofa here. You will have a power connection for the heat and massage on the sofa, so we're going to disconnect that. Once that's disconnected, we'll simply grab the backrest of the sofa, tilt it over to the side, and this sofa is on 4 rollers, so it'll disconnect from the bracket there and allow you to roll it around. So we'll simply roll the recliner into the slide out on the left-hand portion here, lift it up, and secure it into the bracket. Before we get started with this second sofa section and storing that, let's make sure that you have your strap connected back here to the D-ring. And once that's connected, we're going to kind of set that out of the way because your sofa section will come in this area. We'll come over here, tilt the sofa off the bracket, roll it forward, and then roll it over into the slide out directly between the table legs. Ramp it up over, lift up, push it into place. And we'll grab our strap, make sure it's up nice and tight here on the backrest, wrap it around, and then connect it to the opposite end of the strap, which is already secured over here, and simply hook it up. The last thing to mention would be your countertop and ensuring that that is properly pushed in place to allow your slide outs to come in. I hope you found this information beneficial. If you would like more information, feel free to jump on our website, www.brinkley.rv.com. Thank you and happy travels.